By that. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face up for me. Then just lean just your upper body back right here. Perfect. Okay. And then I'm going to move some hair around here so I can get to some areas that we're finding. Now we had palpated. We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good. Okay. So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here. Okay. I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. Very good adjustments. All right, very good.
Hi, it's Dr. Jeffrey Gertis here, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor, and today we're going to be doing a full spine adjustment on our patient here, Sarah. She's been having some neck pain, some upper back stiffness, and some lower back pain, so we're going to try and get her feeling better. So let's take a look here. Can you turn your head? We're going to check some ranges of motion. Turn your head all the way to the right. Good, good. All the way to the left. Okay, good. And then we're going to look up and down all the way. Good, good. Okay, so, you know, her range of motions are okay, but she is experiencing some neck pain. So let's take a look. Can you lay face down here on the table? Good. Feel some of the joints. Good. You can feel where some of the tender areas are and where some of the muscle tightness is coming from. Okay, let's take a look. Can you go face up on the table? There's some joint restriction right here in her upper cervical spine. We're going to go right into that. Very good. Same here. We can feel some restriction down at the bottom of her neck at C6, C7. Good. We're now going to go into the thoracic spine. We have the patient cross both arms. Good. Scoot down a little. Good. Very good. And now we're going to check the patient's lower back. Let's go face down. So we're going to do a leg check to check her pelvis. Both legs up here. Good. As you can see, her left leg is just slightly shorter than her right. And we're going to go into her left sacroiliac joint and try and balance this out. Let's have the patient lay here on her side, face me. Good. And we can feel the restriction here in the pelvis. We're going to go right into that joint and realign it. Great. Let's go on the other side. You can feel the lumbars here, slightly misaligned. I'm going to go in, push right on the lumbar joints. Very good. And let's check our pelvis. We'll go face down again. Good. And as you can see, the legs are almost even, so we've balanced out our pelvis. Sarah, let's come on up. There you have it, folks. It's a full spine chiropractic adjustment. It's your Raleigh chiropractor, Dr. Jeffrey Gertis. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Is going to help with that, okay? We're going to adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good, okay? We did note a lot of extension restriction in the upper thoracic region, so that's why we had lots of movement in here. We're going to adjust here in the cervical thoracic region. Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay. Relax right here for me. Okay. Very good. Okay, bilateral. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way.
Hi, it's Dr. Jeffrey Gertis here, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor, and we are here today with Sarah, and we're going to be treating Sarah. Sarah, you've been having some low back pain?
Yeah, I have some low back pain sometimes, so yeah.
Okay.
It's starting a little better, yeah.
So let's take a look and see if we can get her some relief. So let's see, can you lean forward all the way? We're going to check some ranges of motion here and just see where some of the restriction is. Okay, so that's pretty good, and if you go back, start to hurt a little bit there?
A little bit, not too much.
Okay. And let's see, can you cross your arms? And let's turn all the way to the right. And good. All the way to the left. And let's do, from there, twist all the way as far as you can. So her ranges of motion look pretty good. There's just a little bit of restriction, so we're going to get in there and see if we can get the joints realigned and get some of the mobility and pain down. So let's see, can you lay face down here on the table? Just going to check the pelvis here. Good. Good. Very good. Okay, let's see. Can you lay here on your side and face me? So we're going to do an adjustment of her low back and her sacroiliac joint right here. Good. And let's go on the other side. Same thing right here. I can feel the joint is just a little restricted. I'm going to go in and push in on this joint and our low back joints here too. Good. Good. You can hear the cracking. Let's see. Let's go face down again. And just right there.
Remove some hair here so we don't have it caught in the chair during the adjustment, okay? Very good. Let me palpate right through here. Relax right here for me. Good movement. Excellent. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Mm-hmm. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. Response here. And so we're going to get some movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Good movement there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right there for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There we go. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. And get right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Your body there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale.
So yeah, some of you have enjoyed my cracks. I can, for some reason, I get myself to relax and I can crack really good on the right side, but the left side, not as much. I'll get like 3 vertebrae on this side and about 5 on this side once in a while if I'm lucky, because I can relax more on the right side. So usually it's actually only 2 on the left side, but when I really relax, for some reason it's a more intense adjustment. Someone commented that I'm just addicted to the endorphins, I'm doing damage to my body. That's probably true. And the endorphins are part of it, but I also believe that once in a while I am adjusting something into place. Now I'm doing it too much. That's why I'm trying to space it out, because I get louder cracks when I wait a week or whatever. It's really hard to do. But this summer I was swimming and I jumped in some cold water, and when I came out, my muscles contracted and I was instantly in pain. My whole skeletal system on my neck was thrown to one side. Within a half second, I just adjusted it, and it was a real loud cavitation, and the pain went away and it instantly went back in place. It was not just endorphins in that case. I had moved the vertebrae back in place, and it was fully functional. Now, that doesn't happen very often. Obviously, I'm not a chiropractor. You know, one of these days I'm just going to break somebody's neck, but that's okay. But in that case, you know, I did fix myself. The one thing I think I am doing wrong is I'm probably wearing out the ligaments a little bit. So if I get in a car wreck or something, I'm more apt to be damaged. But anyways, enough yapping, yap. Here we go. Right side. Wow. All right, left side. Not bad. All right, lower lumbar. Decent. Other side. Oh, yeah, that was good. Okay, here's a new technique. I'm gonna try out. See if it works. Chin up. And try to use 3 Star Trek books if you can. This technique. So if I get the upper. Not bad. Wow. Alright, left side. Not bad. Decent. Other side. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Not bad.